Lusaka, Zambia, the capital city, the heartbeat of the country, and the final stop on our 2-country, 4-city African tour. This one was different. No safaris, no tourist checklist, just family, history, and slowing it all down. Let me show you how it all went down. So we flew in from Livingston and landed in Lusaka, Zambia's capital. Over 3 million people live here, making it one of the fastest growing cities in Southern Africa. This isn't the kind of city you come to for waterfalls or wildlife, but trust me, Lusaka moves to its own rhythm. Pindy's dad picked us up, and now that he's moved back here, the ride from the airport wasn't just a drive, it was a story. He pointed out neighborhoods, explained different places in the area, and even showed us parts of the airport where he used to work when he was younger. That's not something you read in a guidebook. That's Lusaka through his eyes.
How many hours? This one wasn't there, was it there? This one was here, well, yeah. But those, you see they built that side now. Yeah, all that land is.
First stop, his house. He's building it from the ground up, brick by brick. Walking through it with him and Pindy, you could feel it. This wasn't just concrete. This was legacy being built right in front of us.
Okay. So this is where I'm sleeping. You know, so this is the guest room. You guys, this is the guest room. If you had finished, you would have just stayed in this.
But you disconnect the stove one.
So this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. That's the toilet. That's the bath.
It feels good in here.
Yeah, it's very cool. So this is a family room. Okay. You know, that will be a chimney over there.
So what's the granadilla?
That's it.
It's a fruit.
That's a plant there. That's a granadilla.
Ah. You have chickens?
You don't step in the mud. When it rains, it's terrible here.
Is this a closet?
Yeah, that's a closet.
This is huge.
Yeah. You put one, you know.
How cold does it ever get? Would it ever get here?
It gets very cold.
It does?
It gets cold.
Or where you were at in California, that's what, 3 or 4. Yeah, in Atlanta, I would say at least 2, because this house, this is what, 5,000 square feet?
I mean, 4,800.
4,800.
Almost 5,000.
Yeah. It's massive. It is massive. Almost 5,000 square feet.
It's a big house.
It's massive. He had already picked up the rental car for us and had it waiting at the house. After giving us a tour of the progress on his house build, we hopped in. Alright, let's see if we survive. So, let's see who's behind the driver's seat, driving from the right side of the road. I mean the left side of the road on the right side of the car. Penny took the wheel. She's used to driving here in Zambia, where you drive on the left side of the road from the right side of the car. Me, I was more than happy to just ride along. We followed her dad to the nearest gas station since the car had no gas. And here's what was cool. Attendants pumped the gas for you.
Okay. Park.
And they pump your gas here, right? So they pump your gas here.
Are you putting gas?
We just pulled up, sat back, and they handled everything. After that, we hit the road and headed straight to the resort. Next up, Ciela Resort. This was our last home base before heading back to the States, and it was exactly what we needed. Ciela sits on about 100 hectares of land, which is about 247 acres, at Bonanza Estate, just 15 to 20 minutes from the airport. This property is huge, with lakes, trails, and green open space. Rainfall showers, modern finishes, and views of the estate right outside your window. The pool was wide and open, the spa, you got full-on treatments, hydrotherapy, everything. And yes, there's a 24-hour gym for us fitness folks. Golf lovers, this is your spot. The Bonanza Golf Course is an 18-hole championship course. And afterwards, you can grab freshly made wood-fired pizza at the clubhouse. And the food here hits every vibe. Elements is the main restaurant for buffet breakfasts, lunches, and dinners. Botanica is a fine dining option with a focus on Zambian flavors done upscale. The Brewery serves craft beer brewed right there on site with an American-style pub menu. And the poolside bar is the best place to relax at sunset and at night to view the beautiful night sky. The next day, we left the resort to pick up Pindy's cousin Emily. So we're about to leave and go into town.
See Lusaka.
I'm about to see Lusaka.
And meet some family.
Yep.
Let's go do it.
1 hour.
Everybody peed.
Did y'all pee back there?
Good, good.
Yep, y'all peed. All right, we're ready to go.
Good, let's get it.
The GPS said about an hour's drive into the city, which gave us the perfect chance to take in Lusaka City along the way. Now, Lusaka wasn't always the capital. In 1935, the British moved it from Livingston because it was more central. Back then, Lusaka was just a small railway town of about 100,000 people. In the 1950s and 60s, it became the center of the independence movement. Leaders like Kenneth Kaunda organized here, and Lusaka became the heartbeat of Zambia's fight for freedom. By 1964, Lusaka wasn't just a capital, it was a symbol of a brand new nation. And since then, it's blown up, from 100,000 back then to over 3 million today. Skyscrapers and malls on one side, busy markets on the other, hectic, vibrant, always growing. That's Lusaka. But here's what Zambia is really known for: copper. This country is one of the world's top producers. They call it red gold here because it basically built the economy. And Lusaka is where the deals and decisions get made. It's also one of the safest and most peaceful capitals in Africa. People here are warm, welcoming, and known for showing love to visitors. If you ever hear nsima, that's Zambia's staple dish. Kind of like a thick maize porridge you eat with just about everything. Trust me, you'll never forget it. It's delicious. So Lusaka isn't just the capital. It's the nerve center of Zambia's culture, history, and hustle. But as we got closer to Emily's area, the trip turned into an adventure. Pindy was on the phone with her aunt trying to follow directions based on landmarks. Then random kids who didn't even speak English kept running up to the car, pointing us where to go.
Auntie, please translate. Go ahead. So just, you can speak in Nyanja. She's waiting that side? Okay.
Finally, we spotted her uncle near a garden, waving us in and guiding us the rest of the way. Man, this whole experience was hilarious.
Okay.
The pink they are done right. Your mom is there.
Okay.
There's so many watchers. Poking out. Those are your
Security. Security. Is there room?
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm doing fine.
Is this
Tell me something about yourself.
Yes.
Yes. What's your favorite color?
Yes.
She likes to giggle.
Hi.
Say hi. Once we picked up Emily, she basically became our guide for the rest of Lusaka. She helped us navigate the city and took us around to meet Penny's other aunts, uncles, grandmothers, cousins, the whole family tree. First big stop was Manda Hill Mall, one of the busiest shopping centers in Lusaka.
Andre, how's Lusaka?
Lusaka is amazing.
It's amazing.
It's much cooler than it was in Livingston.
Livingston.
Livingston was a song. But it feels good here.
Okay.
The weather's nice. That's where we linked up with more cousins and Nando's. We just sat, ate, and laughed. And yo, that chicken was fire. I heard one just opened up in Atlanta recently, and after this, I'm definitely checking that out. After visiting family, I told Emily I wanted to stop at a craft market. She looked at me and said, okay, but don't act like a tourist or they'll jack up the prices. Matter of fact, don't speak at all. She said the second they hear my voice, negotiations are done. So the whole time I was using hand gestures, grunts, little sounds just to tell her which items I wanted. It was ridiculous and hilarious, but it worked. She got me the prices that I wanted. After dropping Emily off and saying goodbye to her family, we started to drive back to the resort. By then it was dark and the GPS had us turning every few seconds. I felt like we were playing the game Snake, except we were the snake navigating Lusaka's back roads. Directions aren't crazy. We keep having to turn like every freaking kilometer. And we started at 1 hour and 10, now we're at 48 minutes. And I feel like we've been driving for an hour already. On the way, we stopped at a grocery store. I do this in every country I visit. I stock up on snacks and tea for myself, and I grab souvenirs for my family. And here's the tradition. My family, they're big coffee drinkers. So I always bring them a fresh bag of coffee from every country I visit. These are universal all around the world. They are everywhere. Who owns this company? It's a bunch in here already. I cleaned out the store for everything that I know I would like. My friends even call me the snack king because I always have food on me everywhere I go. I always got a snack in my pocket. And if you ever peek into my kitchen back home, it's stacked wall to wall with snacks from whatever country I visited last. Mostly stuff I wanted to try that you can't get in the States. Columbus.
Right.
We finally reached the KFC. There we go.
They're like tempting you for miles.
The next day, we didn't leave the resort. Spa day. Full tour of the property, good food, and just rest. Later that evening, Penny's dad came by to join us for dinner at the resort. We ate, we laughed, said our goodbyes. Then late that night, we packed up, drove to the airport, and met the son of the owner of the car rental company to hand back the car before flying home.
We're leaving Africa.
We're leaving. Final moments. And just like that, our time in Lusaka came to an end. This trip, this whole experience was truly an adventure of a lifetime.